Hello guys, this is Yuji's Kitchen and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut slurry stew. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you'll be needing vegetable oil, onions, garlic, dry pepper, fresh tomatoes, curry powder, salt and stock cubes, meat stock, turkey, carrots, green bell pepper, coconut milk. You can use fresh coconut by blending it and squeezing out the milk from it. To save time and stress, you can just get the canned coconut milk. Lastly, you'll be needing cornstarch. So we're going to start by adding our oil into the pot. Add your onions. Leave it to fry for some minutes. Frying your onions for a while brings out the flavor, so you need to take your time to fry your onions. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes, which I already blended together with my garlic. Stir to combine. Now I'm going to add some blended onions and green pepper to add more flavor to the stew. It's actually optional. You don't have to do this if you don't have enough onions and green pepper. I'm still going to add my chopped green pepper when the stew is almost done to retain its freshness. I'm just doing this because I discovered that frying your green pepper for a long period of time makes your food taste better. So I'm going to leave this to cook till it's dry. Now our base is ready. Add in your curry powder. Add your stock cubes. Add your salt. Stir to combine. Now add in your dry pepper. Stir properly to combine. Now add your turkey. You can actually use any protein of your choice, but I prefer to use turkey for this particular recipe. Add in your meat stock. Now add in your coconut milk. I'm using 2 cans of coconut milk for this recipe. You can check the description box below to check the quantity of ingredients I use for this particular recipe. Stir to combine. So we're going to cover this up to cook for some minutes. After some minutes, check the stew to see if it has your desired consistency. If it's not thick enough, then you can add in your corn slurry. I made this corn slurry by adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a little amount of water. Stir properly to combine. So we're going to cover this up till it thickens up. If you want your stew to be thicker, you can add in more cornstarch. Now I'm going to add in my carrots. And lastly, my green bell peppers. You can use more veggies for this recipe. Normally I would also add sweet corn, red bell pepper and green peas, but I don't have that available at the moment, so that's why I'm using just carrot and green bell pepper. Don't worry about the look, it's going to look better when it's cool. So we're going to cover this to cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes it's ready. This stew actually tastes awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.